Channel of learning mathematics. We are seeing algebra practice set 1.4. First sum you have already done for homework. Now this is second sum. This is your first equation of second sum, second equation of second sum. Now these are not in the standard form of linear equation in two variables. So we are converting it into the standard form. What is the first step? Common thing in equation 1 and 2. You are saying x plus y here 2 as denominator, x plus y denominator of the second equation of first term. This is your second term. Common thing is x minus y 1 upon and x minus y works here as a denominator too. So how to convert it into the standard form? Substitute 1 upon x plus y, complete thing, 1 upon x plus y as capital X and 1 upon x minus y as capital Y. Whatever will be the common thing from equation number 1 and 2, you will substitute that thing as your capital X and capital Y. This is the easiest method to convert this such type of equation into the standard form. Common thing in first terms of both equation, common thing in second terms of both equations. So this is your capital X and this is your capital Y. Now substitute these equations X and capital Y in equation 1 and 2. What you will get is equation 1 becomes 10 upon x plus y. So it is 10 into 1 upon x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y. We can write this first equation in this order also. 10 into 1 upon x plus y is as capital X. So this becomes 10x plus 2, 1 upon x minus y is capital Y. So this is your new equation, equation number 3. 10x plus 2y is equal to 4. Your x is capital, y is also capital. In the same way, you are going to convert second equation. Remember this equation? I am rubbing this out. Even the first equation. This is the second sum. I am writing here in the corner. What was the second equation? 15 into 1 upon x plus y. I am writing it in this manner. I am not changing the equation. Minus 5 into 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. What is your 1 upon x plus y? X. This is 15 into capital X minus 5 into capital Y, as your capital Y stands for 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2 as it is. This is your equation number 4. Now what you will solve? Equation number 3 and 4. As 1 and 2 are converted into 3 and 4 respectively. So this is your fourth equation. Now solving equation 3 and 4 simultaneously by using elimination method. So what was your third equation? 10x plus 2y is equal to 4. This was your third equation. Fourth equation, 15x minus 5y is equal to minus 2. So solve this equation number 3 and 4 now. Now simultaneously to solve this equation, see the coefficient of x in both equations. Here it is 10, here it is 15. In equation number 1, coefficient of y is 2. Equation number 2, coefficient of y is minus 5. Now, neither we cannot convert 10 into 15 or 15 into 10. Not 2 into 5 and 5 into 2. So what is the simplest method? Multiply this third equation by 5. We are making coefficient of y same. And this equation by 2. So 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10, coefficient of y will be same. So using this method now, what will be the equation number 3? 5 into 10, 50x plus as it is 5 into 2, 10 capital Y is equal to 5 into 4, 20. 2 multiplied by fourth equation. So 2 multiplied by 15 is 30x minus 2 5s are 10y is equal to 2 2s are 4. It is minus 2, so it is minus 4. So coefficient of y in both equation plus 10 and minus 10. Even signs are different. So adding two equations, what you will get is plus 10y minus 10y gets cancelled. 50 plus 30, it is 80x is equal to 20 minus 4 is 16. X is equal to 16 divided by 80. Don't forget the term coefficient of x goes as denominator after shifting. So what is your x? Reduce it, 16 upon 80. Reduce it by 8. 8 2s are 8 10s are. Or 16 1s and 16 5s are. Same goes here. This is your reduced form. This is your capital X, not your small x and small y. We have to still find small x and y, which are the main roots of equation number 1 and 2. This is your capital X, and now you are going to find capital Y. So how to find capital Y? Substitute your capital X either in equation 3 or in equation 4. I will substitute in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is 10x plus 2y is equal to 4. So what is a capital X? 1 upon 5. So substitute here capital X as 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 plus 2y is equal to 4. All the other things are same as it is. 2y as it is, plus as it is, 4 as it is. Only instead of x I substitute here 1 upon 5. This is multiplication sign. 10 into 1 upon 5. So 5 here it is in denominator. So 5 1s and 5 2s are. It is 2. So 2 plus 2y is equal to 4. I am rubbing the value of x. Now number on one side. So 2 goes there. What will be the equation now? 4 minus 2. 2y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 divided by 2. It is 1. This is the value of your capital Y. Capital Y is 1 and x is 1 upon 5. Now what is your next step? We have substituted 1 upon x plus y as capital X and 1 upon x minus y as capital Y. Now substitute these values of capital X and y in those equations in order to get the main roots of equation, that is small x and small y. So your next step is, don't forget the values of x and y, capital X and y. I am keeping here as it is, I am not rubbing it. So 1 upon small x plus small y was your capital X. Now substitute this capital X in this equation. What you will get? 1 upon x plus y as it is. It is 1 upon 5. What is the next step now? It is very obvious. Cross multiplication. So 5 1s are 5. X plus y into 1 is x plus y itself, because any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. So 5 is equal to x plus y. You will get a new equation. This is your new equation now. That is x plus y is equal to 5. This is your new equation, equation number 5. In the same way, now you will get second equation. What was done in the first sum was only 1 upon x was substituted as your capital X. So directly you got the value of your x. But here it is not the same case here. Why? Because 1 upon x plus y is substituted as capital X. So you are getting a new equation, not directly the value of x or small y. So this is your equation number 5. In the same way, now you will get the value of y. This was your equation, 1 upon x minus y is capital Y. So 1 upon x minus y is now, y was 1. So substitute here 1. 1 means nothing but 1 upon 1. Cross multiplication. What you will get again? X minus y is equal to 1. This is again your new equation. Name it as equation number 6. Now what you will do? It's very obvious. Solve 5 and 6. Using elimination method, you will get small x and small y, the main roots of equation number 1 and 2. I am writing both the equation. X plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 5. Write it one below the other as we have done in elimination method. Equation number 5. Equation number 1. 6. Now very obvious, plus y minus y gets cancelled. X plus x, 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. We have added both the equation because coefficient of y in both cases was 1 1. It was same and even the sign was different. So no need of subtracting. Even if you subtract the equation, x will get cancelled and you will get the value of y. Any method. X is equal to 6 upon 2. X is equal to 3. This is just small x now. Now substitute this x either in equation number 5 or in 6. I am substituting the equation value of x in fifth equation. What is your x? 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. Number on one side. Y is equal to 2. These are the main roots of equation number 1 and 2, where x stands for 3, small y stands for 2. These are the roots of your equation number 1 and 2, the main equation. In this way, you are going to solve this second sum by substituting 1 upon x plus y as capital X and 1 upon x minus y as capital Y. This sum you are going to solve it for 3 times in your notebook. This is your homework. The same sum for 3 times.